Handling a fledging business means your communication has to be on point and delivered smoothly and heard loud and clear. A business will have clients across the world and might have to attend international calls, and this includes managing with different time zones, conference calls, and maintaining call quality. Plus, your business wants to look polished and professional while keeping costs low. If you are a business or an individual looking for a smooth, cost-efficient, and video calling service, ONPASSIVE Connect is a business video conference platform. Anyone can host virtual conferences from anywhere. With the help of a video conference platform, your business need not worry about managing remote working. Any business can collaborate and work efficiently to make sure that you meet all your customers' demands. Why video conferencing is important in business? Video conferencing helps businesses break the barriers of distance. Here we list the importance of video conferencing in business. Video conferencing helps increase efficiency. Video conferencing enforces remote working. Save time and money on your travels. Reach out to many people at the same time. Bind all your workers through one software. Below are some of the best features of ONPASSIVE Connect and how it helps your business. Multi-user video, audio conferencing. What makes ONPASSIVE Connect potentially shine, however, is its support for up to bring 1,000 audio and video participants together. The video conference service also takes a software-free approach to video calling. The tool allows most users to connect with nothing more than a browser. Many-to-many video conferencing are enabled by integrating software, which makes sure that you and your clients have a rich and quality experience. It allows your business to connect to different users, employees, and collaborate with them at the same time. The tool also has features for setting up meetings, screen sharing, chat functionality, and a host of other tools, making ONPASSIVE Connect a very convenient tool for corporations and organizations to schedule meetings with multiple people across the globe. Video conferencing helps save cost. We all know that travel can take up much expense, and it is not feasible every time. Video conferencing allows you to reduce some business travel and reduce the cost and work on handling business travels. All you need is the right video conferencing solution like ONPASSIVE Connect and then set up a virtual face-to-face conference with your clients or providers to discuss business. It can still bring the same effect and realize your purpose because ONPASSIVE Connect can provide you with high quality and satisfying products and services to you and your business. In this way, video conferencing helps companies to save a lot in their budget, which is so vital for your company operations. Related, how to make your webinars successful with personalized content generation. Increased efficiency by bringing people closer. The importance of video conferencing is in its efficiency. ONPASSIVE Connect is designed to offer the right service to cater to business meetings and to bring people closer. ONPASSIVE Connect helps your business boost productivity and profitability in several aspects, including better decision making. It helps people quickly express their opinions or ideas to managers and leaders. It saves time, expedites the meeting, and thus increasing the overall productivity. It helps people to host conferences and meetings with one another in real time. You can also video conference people on cross-platforms. Video conferencing enables users to stay more focused and alert on the topic of discussion during the meeting. Thus projects get finished much quicker. Productivity is enhanced, and your employees feel more collaborated with each other. Related, automated webinars, the tool you need to scale your marketing efforts. Bind all your workers, clients through one software. Your business may have remote workers who are scattered throughout different locations, or sometimes a situation like a pandemic, COVID-19 might force us to work remotely. You can bring them all together with video conferencing via personal computers, tabs, or mobile phones. It also enables you to check on the updates and the activities of the employees. Thus, your business can manage all your workers across the globe or whatever the location they might be in. ONPASSIVE Connect leads to better management and ensures everybody is on track. ONPASSIVE Connect video conferencing tool is very practical and functional, and it can be used in any company. Besides, the tool can also help in conducting online training for staff, which is essential to the development of both your business and employee. Understanding these vital elements and advantages of video conferencing in your business will help you make a better decision on adopting the communication tool. If you choose to use such an effective video conferencing solution and don't know how to decide the best one for your business, ONPASSIVE Connect is your answer. It will soon be available on ONPASSIVE. A Bill Must production.